Okay, hello everybody, this is Big Bang Crypto. My name is Sam and welcome to another episode. Wow, exciting days, guys. Bitcoin is really breaking through the roof. It's just amazing to see that happening. I mean, we've been talking about that when Bitcoin was down at $6,400 approximately. I've been talking so much about that there are so many signs in the chart that we will go up. And yeah, this is happening. And now the big question is, will we see the real parabolic movement now starting, or will there be a pullback? And that's what I want to talk with you in this video. And I want to start with the first wave in 2010. It's the first wave ever. And guys, I mean, I've been showing you this many times, but once again, we have this big resistance. When we break above it, as you can see, we have this big red candle coming, all right? So things are looking bullish and so on, and then there is this big red candle coming to this channel resistance line again before it really starts to take off. If we go to the next first wave in 2012, what you can see after breaking above this big resistance, everything is looking bullish, oh my god, and then a big red candle once again coming down to this resistance, and then we really start this parabolic movement. And yeah, so you can see it once again, a big red candle. And going to the first wave in 2015, there it is. First wave in 2015, this is this big resistance, this shining blue line. When we break above it, everything looking bullish, and then one big red candle. Right? Once again, one red big candle, and here once again. All right. So and again, coming down to this resistance right here. All right. Now, if we take a look at what is going on right now with Bitcoin, and I've been talking about that so much, guys. I've been talking about this blue fib so much, and I always said, I think when we cross it, this will have a bearish effect. And the first day that we crossed it, look at that. First red candle, same like here, but as you can see, after crossing it, we have a big red candle. And now what I think is from this fib to this fib, I expect a big red candle. Now where it will stop, this is important, and we have to talk about that in this video. And so I'm not saying sell your Bitcoins. No, definitely not. Yes, we have a really bullish setup right here. It looks amazing, and I think maybe best thing you can do right now is just turn off your computer and wait 1-2 weeks, and then take a look and see what happens. And of course, you need to have a good stop loss. That's for sure. But I think the probability is very high for Bitcoin to reach higher levels in the next weeks. All right, in the next weeks. But this is what I want to say in this video. I think now, after what happened, the probability for a pullback is very high, higher than just continuing this movement. A lot of people are now expecting $10,000, of course. Makes sense. I mean, we came up to $9,600 and we're only $400 away from the 10. Right? So this is amazing. But guys, now this is my favorite scenario. All right? Everybody is waiting for us to make a higher high compared to this one. So getting close to, let's say, $10,600, all right? Getting above this one right here. Everybody's waiting for that, and everybody's saying when we make this higher high, then the big money will enter the market and it will just explode. All right, that makes sense. Of course, that makes sense. But you know, guys, what I'm missing right now is this last shock moment. I'm missing that. This is just looking too good. It's just looking too good. And I'm missing the shock moment. I think there will be a shock moment that will bring back the bears. Everybody will be saying, okay, we didn't make a higher high, and now we just made a lower high, and so the downwards trend will continue. This is what they will say, in my opinion. And so I see this scenario very likely to come down. And like I said, we crossed this blue fib circle. It's starting red, and I think it's likely to come down. Now, which levels are likely? Of course, the first level that we have to take a look at is the $8,900 level. Why is that important? Well, if we bring out the moving averages, this is the 200. So many people talking about it now that we're above it. As you can see, currently it is at 8,000. Nearly $8,900. The 20 moving average, also very important, is at $8,760. So when we see a drop, I think this is the first support zone, in my opinion. And if it can hold, perfect. Then we will continue this movement. If we drop below this level, so if we reach let's say $8,600 and we have a daily close below this level, then the next level I see as support is down here at the 50 simple moving average, which is at $7,800, and which will bring us to this resistance right here. So this channel's resistance that I've been talking so much about, and other YouTubers as well. So this one right here, and it will bring us down to this level, and then we can say history 100% repeated. And yeah, like I said, this is at 7,800 to 7,000, yeah, let's say 7,700, and then we might start moving and touch this support that I've been talking so much about, and then continue this movement. And of course, what we have to talk about is a 50%, a 50% pullback of this move right here. This would bring us down to $8,200, all right? And the 61 is at $7,800, so it gets more likely in the golden pocket, of course, down here at the 50 simple moving average, all right? So this is what I want to say, and if we take this to this point right here, to our bottom, then of course, as you can see, the 61 is at this support right here and at $7,600. So once again, very important, if this zone can't hold, I think this zone is the next major target. This is what you have to watch, all right? And just have to think about if it's what I want to say. Yeah, all right. Okay, now something what I want to show you, and I've been talking about that, it's such a strong, unbelievable recurring similarity, and I give it to you for free, guys, but I've been talking already about it. So, if the last day of the month is a red day, and the stochastic RSI at the same time is showing you the probability is getting higher for a pullback, you have a 90% probability for the pullback. And the pullback always goes back to the last strong resistance zone. Now the question is this the last strong resistance zone? Maybe. Or is it down at these levels? And I told you which levels you have to watch. But this is a major recurring similarity. And just to show you how major it is, going back to January, last day of December is a red day. Stochastic RSI is telling us it's going down. What we do, we go down. Going back to December, last day of November is a red day. Stochastic RSI is at its top. A cross is likely. What happens? We come down. November, last day of October is a red day. Stochastic RSI is at a top. It's telling us, hey, it's likely to go down very soon. What happens? We have a little leg up and then we crash. Let's see what September has for us. September, the opposite, all right, this is also of course very, very important, no? When you have a green day, when the last day of the month is a green day and the stochastic RSI is down at these levels, very likely that the month starts bullish. August, last day of July is a green day, stochastic RSI is down at these levels, very likely that you have a bullish start, and this is what happens. Now, I don't want to go back during the last decade and show you how amazing and unbelievable this recurring similarity is. It's worth so much money, but I'm giving you for free, guys. What you can do for me is give this a like, subscribe, join our Discord channel. The link is in the description. So yeah, so this is the thing, guys, and now you have to make your own decision if you believe this or not. What I think that is makes really sense currently, if we go to the weekly and bring it back again here. So as you can see on the weekly, things are really looking strong. All right, things are really looking strong, and what I could imagine on the weekly is that we come back down and test this this zone right here once again before we continue. This is something that could happen, a coming back down, retesting it, and then going away. All right, so something like this is my favorite scenario right now. And yeah, if we continue this movement, then of course we will reach $10,000. Let's see how strong $10,000 is. I think as soon as we get above $10,000 and have a daily close, there might be a lot of FOMO, guys. All right, so this whole theory that I just told you and the recurring similarity, I think if we get above $10,000, then yeah, yeah, you can forget it, and you can forget it, and then just yeah, be really bullish again. And just want to take a look at the end what is going on the lower time frames. So on the 1 hourly, we have the 200 moving average at $8,800 right now, below the 20 moving average and below the 80 and the 40. So this is, yeah, could be strong resistance right here. Let's see if we can get above, let's say $9,400. If we can get above this resistance zone that you're seeing right here, $9,400, then we could see a higher high compared to this one right here. But as long as we're below this zone, I think it's more likely to come down to the 200 here. If we go to the 4 hourly, on the 4 hourly, this one looks good to me. But if we can get above the 20 on the 4 hourly, which is at yeah, 9,300, let's say 50, and of course this resistance zone is still in play, the $9,400 level. Yeah, I think it's more likely to come down to these levels. All right, so this is something that I would really watch now. This zone right here, this will play a big role if we are talking about a continuation of this bullish movement. All right, this is important right now. I have to say this candle looks good to me. It's not bad, so maybe there is another leg up, but this is the zone you have to watch. Now at the end of this video, I want to remind you guys of one chain. I told you this is my diamond, one of my diamond altcoins at the moment because of the chart. And as you can see, it just broke above the 200 moving average, one of my diamonds, and I bought in down at these levels when I told you I think this one is going to pump. All right, and as you can see from the levels when I talked about, let's say it was something right here to here, you have, yeah, 40%. So take a look at that, and I also want to show you ontology, because ontology is now above its 200 moving average, and it's getting close to its to this resistance, this strong channel resistance. No, not channel, but let's say if it's a falling wedge, and it's getting close to the resistance, and if it's able to get above, let's say, 90 cents, or of course $1, then I think ontology will easily come up to these levels right here. So the close to the $2 level, I think this is possible for ontology. But just want to show you that, so keep that in mind if you're interested in ontology. And nano, I've been also talking about nano, guys. Also my diamond altcoin, so one chain and nano, and currently nano is out of this big resistance, above this big resistance, as you can see, and it's above, and it's on its way to the 200 moving average, which is at nearly 90 cents, right? And it's above the 50. So this is really looking good in my opinion, if you're interested in this. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you want me to talk about more altcoins, then let me know in the comment, because I think, guys, we should not only watch Bitcoin. Some altcoins also have really good setups, so that they are really good buying opportunities. And yeah, if you want that, let me know, guys. So one chain and nano, guys, take a look. So thank you very much for your attention. Leave a like, guys. We'll see us soon. Have a nice day, and bye.